Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the sharing iPhone analytics to the Apple. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to the privacy and security. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again and go to the analytics and improvements. And here on the top, you are going to get the option share iPhone analytics. What it does, that sends to Apple how you're using the phone, basically the data with developers and with the apps, and it is going to be shared if you have this feature on, as you can see. So just by clicking this button, now my iPhone is not going to share the iPhone analytics, any informations about the iPhone to the Apple and to the app developers that which apps I use. So now the sharing is off, now it's on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!